Hi everybody, good morning. I'm doing a quick video. I got a request. Someone asked for installation for PentestGPT. Now here's my setup. I did a setup in VirtualBox. I'm using VirtualBox for this setup. I installed Ubuntu 24.04.03 long-term support. This is the version I installed yesterday. Now the steps to install as you follow this one. Of course you need a git, you need a make, it will start, then config, then connect, and then of course that's the follow, and you need your API keys. You need to get them. You have entropic API key, you need the entropic key, you need or auth login. This is related to subscription. If you have subscription with Cloudy or OpenRouter to use other model, so either API key or subscription for Cloudy. Now for me, I use the API. Now the first thing you do after installing your Linux system, as always, you need your update upgrade, so you know that. So the first thing, that's how I start. You do upstart, follow all the steps that you have, because it takes down within 20 video. So the steps I follow, all of these steps, update, install, or share the link, all of this you follow as it is, and then you follow until the end of it. So after you finish that, it installed everything. I did that. You can see it took time a little bit, depending on your internet. So you follow the steps until the end where install Docker. It will install everything for you. It download. It will take a little bit time, and then of course test if it's started. System CTS status Docker. You say enable and it state active and running. After you finish that, of course, then as you do docker run hello world for testing, and it tell you everything is fine. Now after you finish this, if you don't want to use as you do always, you need to add your user like me now to your docker group. This is part post installation. If you want to do is you keep using as you do, or you just docker group get automatically in after install docker by Ubuntu, so this one is not needed. You can use this one. Of course now they tell you where is it, log out and log back in, so that your group membership is revalid. You can do log in, log out, or you can just do new group docker to activate the group again, or just log out if you want. Now the next step, of course, install git to make. Git will be installed by the part of the Ubuntu, but confirm is installed for you. After you install that, after you install these two, the next thing, of course, what we do is the clone. We start going to the installation itself for PentestGPT. I will try different AI. We'll see which one will work. So the first one, this one, you go to just follow, and that one make install. Now if you do that, you clone, and then of course cd make install will take you install local dependencies with uv sync, make uv no such file directory, because now we need a uv, which means this one. This is another powerful rather than using pipe. If you use the Python packages, this one is very good, uv. So installing that one is also now next step. You want to install it. Install is straightforward. Curl lsf, it's already give you there. http that's how install it. After it finish, it install. When it's installed, now you go back and you click, this one will take a little bit time to download the docker. Then we go back to our make install, our next step, this one, make install. After you do that, it will take time. It will start downloading all the stuff and that one. And after that, we go to make config. Make config is this one option. Make config will start and ask you this question. Now here we can see them. It tell you Cloud Code subscription recommended. So if you have subscription for Cloud, use your Cloud Code subscription via Cloud login. Open router if you want to use different model, or you use API. For my case, I use API. Use entropic Claude directory with your API key, or local LLM if you have a local one like Ulama, X.XX Studio, or things like that. I did authentication API key configuration. You go to it's not console the name now, I think you call it I forgot what's the name, but if you go there you can check it, enter your key, you enter entropic key is saved, run make connect to start pen testing. Now if I didn't test this one yesterday, so let's me do make connect and see what happened. And it said error response from daemon range or CPU. It's from 01 to 0 as there are only 3 CPU available. Error response from daemon range of CPU is from, oh, I didn't expect this one because I'm using the VM. What's wrong with it in to be honest, I don't know how to fix this thing. uh, I give it 3 CPUs, is not enough. I think not wasting everybody time. Let me pause the video and figure it out first before. I didn't want to do the. I want you guys to see what happened, but it seemed. Hi everybody, let's check different option because I thought it would work with the 3 CPU. I don't want to freeze my computer, but let's see if we can change the CPU here to less. I'll make it 3 and see if it doesn't freeze the system. I don't know why they make it that way, but let's see with that error if we can get that error and make connect again. Now it gives a workspace, that's workspace word, so it seems it's working after you changing that line. So let's go to see. I'm trying to test it. I didn't test it yet. I did open TryHackMe room called RootMe. I got the IP address 10.49.130.228. I think this one. I didn't test this room yet because I'm not sure this one how it works. The idea, because last time when I did the post to do nmap for scan, it take a long time. So the idea here is see pentest dash dash target, you put the IP and then give it some instruction. Let's try that option. So I didn't test it before, let's try to test it now and see how it will give us. The IP is this one, this is the room of TryHackMe. Let's see what it can do. I didn't test it, to be honest, I'm not expert yet on it. Because it seems you can give him instruction. I'm not asking him to do the scan, so just use, for example, here it said WordPress site focus on plugin vulnerabilities. I don't know this room, it's a long time on did it, so I just tell him do not do port scan, just check, just for example target port 80. So let's see if it do. I'm using Claude. I have I think $4 on it in the API. Let's see what happened. I didn't test it before, but let's see. Hold on, you don't run it from here, you run it from here, from the workspace. Could not, okay, it said pentesting assistance CTF solver initializing agent connecting, so it's connecting to, I don't know, to Claude API or something. It tell you the API. I'm not sure this one will solve it because these are reverse shell on shell. I will solve this CTF challenge. curl, so he's always starting with curl in the port, check HTTP sponsor port 80 head. So the good thing about this, like some people in the comment, is it helps you to do your process of pen testing. You can see reading the source code of the target code. I can see PHP application cookie running in Apache, so check the API, the browser cookie. So it teaches you exactly how to think in Pro good Buster directory. I don't have good Buster, I don't have FAF, I forgot to install them. So if you have a good Bustos for part robot.txt, I didn't install FAF and all of that, so we're supposed to install. I think we need to cancel it and start again. You will not. You see now I don't have FAF and I don't have so. I think in the same time let's install. I was supposed to install FAF. What's the password for this? If it doesn't work, we need to do, because at least give him something to do. I know there is a portal or something, because I think he doesn't have Go Bust or something. If I remember, this is um, no, it's not portal. What it was, I forgot about it. Yeah, let's see if what exactly. Well, that $4 I have, it will finish. At least now we have 5. I think it's better to cancel it and start again. So we give him. We will not find it. Let's cancel it. He will not find with that FAF directory. You need to give him some tools. After this, let's see if now with FAF, because now we installed FAF, so it gives him something to do. Because I forgot to install the tools. Like at least you give him GoBuster, you give him some software to install in your computer. So it's not always getting the HTML source code. Some comment they said, yeah, he got the AI read the internet for write up. They read it for learning, not copy and paste. If you ask them directly, like in the prompt, but this one is using his logic. Why is it? He liked to use GoBusters, like we need to install GoBuster or something. FAF is available. Why is he not using FAF? Oh, he got the panel. Now he's trying to do the shell PF5. I don't remember this room, so I can't lie to you. Oh, excellent. All 3 web shells work. I have RC as W data. Now let me enumerate the system and look for flags. So you got the first RCE through shell PHP 5, so you got something. You can't get root flag with this trick. I don't know why you keep using curl for everything. It's not that smart to get everything. Well, you got one flag. It can't be root. Y0U. Apache. He got the panel correct. He got the user flag. The user flag is correct. He got SH3LL. So I don't know how he think he can get reverse shell through curl. This is the part. He got a Python 2.7 binary. Everything with curl. I'm not used to use curl for everything. He got a damn binary. It's true. The binary is for the root privilege. Yeah, the user binary Python. He's trying to do that import Python shell straight in the shell of the user. I'm not sure he found the damn flag. I never expect this. I need to learn how to use everything with curl. I usually need to get the reverse shell and all of that. TP prev. It's true. So you can even solve whole room with curl. You don't need to get reverse shell, come back or something. I need to check this one, guys, before I can confirm. So you got flag found and it costed 0.2. Is it cheaper than the first one I did before? The first one was the 0.25, $0.4. Mission card both flags, found flag, this one the root flag, and the cost. Okay, guys, thank you very much. It seemed he got basically Python 2.7 binary has SUID. One interesting thing I want to learn myself is the idea to get the whole thing through the curl without even need a reverse shell or anything for it. So yeah, that's interesting part. Yeah, guys. So for the error of the so you need to give him some tools like five or something. The Makefile, because mine when I start I used the 3 processor. I don't want to kill my host computer, so I still work with 3 for changing. So just follow the steps, all of that. If you have a question or something, let me know. So we got this room correctly and he was able to get the whole thing. The idea here is don't just cheat and use it for everything. The idea is to use it to learn, so you can see the process, how he's thinking, how he's solving. Like you can see from the beginning is trying to normal enumeration. Why is not going up? It's something for how he start, how using redirect, using the panel, how he's thinking to get the upload, PHR, PHP5, PHTML, and test which one is working. Yeah, guys, so he got the 2 flags in very quick way, but depending on your computer you need to install some tools. Thank you very much everybody and have a good day.